Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Antminer S19K Pro mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 14.8 kilograms and gross weight about 16.6 kilograms. Antminer S19K Pro supports the SHA-256D algorithm, allowing you to mine BTC cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 120 TH/s. Its power consumption is 2760 W, making it an excellent choice with outstanding parameters. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 122 TH/s, the power consumption is approximately 2832 W, and the noise level is around 79 decibels. How to set up the miner for working normally. Download the Mining Machine Bulk Management tool, click on Mining Pool Services, click on Tools Software, scroll down to find the BTC Mining Machine Bulk tool, click on it to download and unzip it. Open the Management tool, click Scanning, you can find the currently connected mining machine. You can set the mining address, miner name and the tool software, batch for all the currently connected mining machine. The mining address and miner name can also be configured by entering a single mining machine. How to get the mining address, open the URL, register and log into your account. The coin choice is BTC, scroll down to find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on an BTC price of $61,126.90 and a mining difficulty of 83.15 T on May 13, 2024, the daily earnings of the Antminer S19K Pro 120T miner are approximately $5.83. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Antminer S19K Pro miner is a powerful miner with low power consumption, which is the most cost-effective miner among the Antminer S19 series miners, and is also the best of the bunch of air-cooled miners. The miner supports Bitcoin mining and is suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining farms. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.